Tara, meal prep tayo. You can see that there's a little bird over there. Alright, sige. Meal prep din tayo habang kumakain ng bird. Yes, we have 4. Ayan. 2 para sa breakfast and 2 para sa snack in the afternoon. So together with our breakfast, 50 grams durian. Ayan. Marami tayong durian galing sa farm. Ayun pa. So we can eat durian every day. And snack in the morning, chocolate, 25 grams. And chia seeds. And of course, another 50 grams na durian. Lunch and dinner. Ito. Yan. Ganito kalaki ang aking rice cooker. And 1 piece wheat bread. Yan. Kasama niya. And of course, we have here our weighing scale. Ito ang aking water bottle. Ayan, dami yan sila. See, I have a lot. Ito ngayon ang aking favorite. And ito yung aking mga food containers. And the glasses. My favorite glass here at home. And sige, let's get ready for today. Bye!